Students, in the last topic we learned that how these earliest people started of herding, and also they started of farming also. So how they started it, when several grain bearing grasses including wheat, barley and rice grew naturally in a different parts of subcontinent, men, women and children probably collected these grains as a food and learned where they grew and when they ripened, and this may have led them to think about growing the plants, and in this way the farming started. So people planted seed and noticed that it takes some time to grow. For that purpose they need to stay, for some purposes they stayed in the same place for a long time, and weeding protect them from the animals and birds till they ripen, and after threshing they need to store this these for the purpose of food and seeds. Next, storing of animals. Storing of animals means animal rearing can be animal rearing can be used as storing of animals. So what purpose is they store it? For the purpose of milk and meat they get from it, and where they store the grains, like the basket, moving basket, making of earthen pots and dug the pit's house. Next topic, towards a settled life. The site Burza home, which is present in Kashmir. So the archaeologists found there the pit houses, which were the pit houses means the houses which were dug into the ground and steps led into them. Means from this the archaeologists get it to know that the earliest people started a settled life. They also found the mortars and pestles and decorated clay pots around the other sides, and these all indicate that these earliest people started a settled life. So mortar and pestles were used for grinding the grains, and these decorated clay pots were used for storing the things, and the other clay pots also used for cooking the food, and they also started the weaving the clothes using different materials. So next topic, that is a closer look of Mehergarh site. So student, this site is present in Kashmir, located near the Bolan Pass. So here also archaeologists found the rectangular and square shaped houses. So here the archaeologists found that this is the important trade route went to Iran. Men and women learned to grow the barley and wheat, and they also rearing of the animals because things near around this, and also the bones of animals were found. So through this we know that the earliest people how they uh, start their life from hunting to gathering of food, from growing the food also. Means started off farming, herding of animals, settle at one place, live in houses, etc. So next, the important archaeological sites.
In in worksheet, I am giving a map filling activity to you. So in that, some of the places you have to fill in the physical map of India. So the places which I given are the Mehergarh. Mehergarh is present in Pakistan. So where the archaeologists first found the earliest settled life of early human. Then Burjam, where the pit house is now present in Kashmir. Then Bhimbetka is in Madhya Pradesh, where the early people take a shelter, which is near the Narmada River. And Karnool Caves, which is in Andhra Pradesh, where the fire traces found, and Mumbai and Kolkata are the modern cities. Thank you. I hope so you understood this very well.